I'm Jadinah N Gustave Esquire. You can call me Attorney J. And Hillman Talk, TikTok University. I am here to introduce Navigating Divorce with Faith and Purpose. What does that mean and where is it coming from? So in this course, it is based on my international best-selling book, Divorce Like a Boss. Boss meaning living beyond our shackles of shame. Okay? We need to do 3 things, and this is the 3 things you're going to get from this course. First, you are definitely going to get the legal strategies, understanding, question that you need to successfully navigate your divorce process. The second thing that you're going to receive is the ability to identify and ground yourself spiritually for the fact that you need to fulfill your purpose. We need to identify your purpose so that it remains at the end as the goal that happens after divorce. Number 3, we also need to make sure that you are built up socially and mentally. What does that mean? That basically means that we are going to jump in showing how emotions do not need to be the guiding principle on your divorce process. We will also learn how the divorce process as it is set up is not something that is set up for a unity of our community, our Black women and our Black men. We cannot let this process allow us to tear each other down. We are no longer going to use the divorce process to cause us to tear each other down, to allow that pain, because divorce is mourning. It is a loss. So we understand that, and we're going to address that in this course. But we are also going to address the way that we can still build our community. We can still have legacy without tearing each other down through this divorce process. So what are you going to get? You are going to, 1, recognize what is needed to remove the blocks that are keeping you in a toxic environment. You have to go from toxic to triumph. A toxic environment is usually held there because of fear of the unknown, because of religious belief. We're going to address that. Because of maybe financial concerns, immigration concerns, concerns about the children. We are going to address all of these and provide solutions to each and every one of your concerns as to why you're still stuck in a toxic marital environment. We are also going to address the biblical principles that make it very clear that as a community, we should not be allowing divorce to tear us down, allowing you Black woman to tear out a Black man, you Black man to tear down a Black woman during your divorce process. I am your legacy advocate. I am your professor, Jadinah N Gustave Esquire. You can call me Attorney J, and we are going to identify your purpose. We are going to identify your strength and power that God has called you, that God has put within you so that you can fulfill your purpose. And we are also going to lay out the legal process on how to navigate divorce successfully. See you in the course.